In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a horizontal line in TradingView. This is one of the most useful tools for marking support and resistance, previous highs and lows, or key price levels you want to watch. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Any market or ticker will work here. Once the chart is visible, make sure you're looking at a higher time frame, like the daily or weekly. This helps you identify the most significant levels first. You can always switch back to a lower time frame later to refine things, but starting higher keeps your chart clean and your levels meaningful. Next, look over to the left side of your screen. That vertical panel is the drawing toolbar, where all your annotation tools live. Find the option for drawing lines and select the horizontal line tool. The icon looks like a simple straight line. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the line tools and you'll find it in the list. With the tool selected, move your cursor onto the chart and click exactly where you want the line to sit. Aim for the price level that stands out. Maybe a swing high, a swing low, or a level that price has touched multiple times. TradingView will place the line across the entire chart at that price, so it's easy to see how often the market has reacted there. If the placement isn't perfect, no problem. Hover over the line until you see it highlight, then click and drag it up or down to fine-tune the price level. Take a moment to align it with candle bodies or wicks, depending on your preference and strategy. To customize the look, click on the line to bring up its quick options. You'll see a small toolbar appear. Click the pencil icon to change the color. Choose a color that fits your system. For example, one color for resistance and another for support, so your chart stays consistent and easy to read. Right next to that, adjust the line width to make it thinner or thicker. Use a thicker line for major levels and a thinner line for minor ones if that helps your visual hierarchy. Finally, when you're happy with the placement and style, click the lock icon. Locking prevents accidental moves while you analyze or scroll, which is especially helpful if you have multiple levels on your chart. That's it. You've placed, adjusted, and customized a horizontal line in TradingView, ready to support your analysis with clean, reliable levels.